Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem faced by Flutter developers. Imagine you're trying to implement Google Sign-In in your Flutter app, but instead of a smooth authentication process, you're greeted with a pesky platform exception. Ouch! What a problem to deal with, right? Now, let's jump straight into the solution that can help you overcome this hurdle. The key to resolving this issue lies in updating your code snippet to obtain the Google Sign-In authentication. By utilizing the provided code snippet, you'll be able to fetch the necessary authentication details required for a successful Google Sign-In process. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions can pack the most punch. Voila, problem solved! In summary, we've delved into a troublesome issue surrounding Google Sign-In in Flutter and uncovered a straightforward solution to pave the way for a smoother authentication experience. By incorporating the suggested code snippet into your project, you'll be one step closer to resolving the platform exception that's been causing headaches. Alright, that's a wrap for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember, coding dilemmas may come and go, but with the right solutions at your fingertips, you're always one step ahead. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!